CTM stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is Castellum stock a buy? I'm gonna be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. Still just genuinely looking at CTM. The only thing that I'll freaking buy, man, is that if there is a double break confirmation, I'll still look to take it further higher. I mean, having done well over 43,000 videos of seeing what's printing and making me money. Generally speaking, bro, pre-market, let's put it this way. 98 cents. This is like a month ago, 31st of May. It's been so good, bro. Like, unless the price pulls down and gives me some sort of like a double break, then there's just no way I'm gonna look to further take things up. You know what I mean? Like, I have like 13 results in the Discord server. If this doesn't pull down and gives me like a double break, there's just no way that I'm gonna look to buy. Very simple. So all I'm doing here in the meantime is just waiting for rules to be met. And yeah, that's about it. You know, that's how CTM is looking like. If there's no confirmation, I'm not buying. Like, very simple. It's pre-market, so this could be a juicy freaking Tuesday, but I'll keep you updated. And if you want to get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.